What up, party people? Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time hanging out with me, do not let it be your last. Make sure you subscribe. So today we are going to be talking and trying on the new Tutti Frutti collection from Too Faced. I'm super stoked. I bought it off of Ulta, obviously with my own coin, you already know. This is their new Tutti Frutti Fresh Glow foundation. Says it is full coverage. I got the Tutti Frutti Do You setting spray. Pineapple Paradise. This is the strobing bronzer highlighting duo. Got a blush. The one I got is called Fruit Cocktail. They are so freaking adorable. I can't even handle it. And you can see the pineapples on the front of this one. I guess each thing has its own like little signature scent. This is called Juicy Fruits Comfort Lip Glaze in the color Grin and Bear It. God, you guys, this is the first time I've ever ordered anything from Ulta. And if you like purchased over like $60, you got like this little Too Faced set thing for free. There's like a bunch of stuff in here. So like that's super exciting. Anywho, this is all the stuff that I got in my little package over here. So kind of exciting. All right, let's get down to business. I have already primed my face the rose gold elixir. So I've been using this. Stuff is super nice. If you have a dry face, I think this is your jam. I don't know if people with oily skin like to fuck around with like face oil. See the gold in that? It's so sick. Anyways, I've been using it to prime my face. So I put it on already, just to like let it soak in a bit. This collection is like their peach line, except that's like mattifying. And this is like the dewy version. So you have like your matte version and your dewy version. Like, it's so fucking cute. So the color I got is in nude. So this is like a airless pump. So they say that this is gonna have a watermelon cucumber scent. So I have my little flat sponge that I got at Target. If you didn't see that video, take a look at it. All right, so the color I got, okay. Oh my God, it smells so good. This isn't really sanitary or whatever, but like I like to just put it on my finger and dot it on. Oh my God, it smells so good. And I don't even like watermelon scented stuff. I do not like watermelon Jolly Ranchers. Like I'm not that girl, okay, at all. But this smells really good. I think the cucumber really like cuts it, you know what I'm saying? So here we go. Okay, oh my God. So one, it oxidizes so much. Looking at this, it literally looks so orange. This is like the real first foundation I've ever gotten that like oxidizes like this. Okay, so I'm gonna show you, see where it started and that's where it ended. Oh my God. Oh my God, look at that, look at the difference. This looks extremely orange. Look at the differences. Oh God, I'm scared now. So I'm just gonna use my dampened little sponge that I got. Okay, I don't know if the sponge is the best bet. I feel like it all just kind of absorbed the product. Okay, so we're gonna put that to the side. All right, so definitely any flathead kabuki brush will work. I obviously need another layer because I don't, now, I mean, I'm not gonna say like it's because of the coverage. I really think it's because my beauty blender ate it all, but I mean, I could be wrong. I mean, I don't know. I think it's really hard to make a dewy type of foundation be a full coverage foundation. Like, I don't know if I'm right or wrong about that, but I just have this feeling. And since it oxidizes, you always want to make sure you hit up your ears and you go a little bit down your neck. I even actually get like this area sometimes, and just right in there. All right, I do not mind the foundation. I really like the dewiness. I feel that even though it oxidizes, I kind of enjoy it. But if you're someone who, like, I think it can go wrong really fast. Now, possibly I might not be able to wear this shade in like the dead ass of winter when I'm like pale as a sheet of paper, but right now it's summer. But if you don't blend this in right, then any little streak, because it does oxidize so much, to like, I don't know, like a shade darker, is definitely going to show up. You know, so that's the only thing that I think personally that sucks about working with a product that oxidizes this much. Now, if I got a shade lighter, which I always cringe when I think about the idea of buying a foundation online, because it freaks me the fuck out. Because I never want to get the wrong shade, and you're so excited to get products online, like get a new product. So, you know, it just sucks when you get the wrong one. This is color nude. This is how it looks on me. And there is that. So lately I've been using this ColourPop concealer in medium. All right, so this one's called medium dark. It doesn't really look all that dark. And I know I'm gonna look super, super crazy, but I started doing this. I did it one time, and now ever since I have been so freaking hooked. I bought this because I thought it was going to be dark enough to contour, and it wasn't. So when I tried to do it, I was like, oh, let's see if I can use this as like a kind of darker concealer. And then I'll be able to like lighten it with the light concealer over it, right? Tried it, and I feel like this concealer is a little bit more orangey. So it kind of like cancels it out, but it still blends in really well. And then it takes care of like that real darkness. And then I go in with my light number 16, and then I just do a little bit here, like so, and like so, and then I blend it out, and that's what I do. And then of course I do this part, but you guys don't need to see this part. All right, so the next thing I'm going to go in on, as you can see, I'm just baking my under eye a little bit, and I am gonna go in with my Pineapple Paradise called Pineapple Sun, my little strobing bronzing duo. Oh my gosh, so it opens on the side. Oh. All right, so yes, there's an adorable little pineapple there. I can't even handle it. And you have your bronzer and your highlighter. That is the bronzer and the highlighter. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my Morphe 530, and I'm just going to fit it right in this side right here. And let's bronze up. Bronzer doesn't look too bad. Oh, it's lighting, I swear to God. All right, and then I'm just gonna go down here. Now that's all set. Dip it in the powder like so, and then I'm going to cut this. Now I never, ever used to do this step, and now I don't know how I literally like go this whole chin region, connect to that. And now I don't know how I ever lived without doing it. Like, it is so crucial in my makeup routine. All right, I'm gonna go with my Y10, and I'm gonna just brush off my under eye. Okay, while we are all set with this cutie, we are gonna go on with our blush. And while we let our chin area bake up, now I got my fruit cocktail. This is in Cherry Bomb. I love how they open on the side like that. They're magnetic. That's super cute. But I love that. Super, super cute. I love the detail with the mirror and the cherries. Like, I think that's gorgeous. And this is the blush that I got. It's like a deep burgundy looking color. And then this really, really, really pretty, I would call that a highlight. Here is the blush and the highlight-ish or whatever. A part of me feels like this whole collection is to be dewy, and a lot of people don't really like to be dewy. A lot of people don't want, you know, shimmers in their blushes. So, but I have a feeling that they're making this point like, oh, hey, like swirl your brush up in that shit and you'll get like this nice dewy, like cheek moment going on. Let's just get it all up in there. I feel like the bronzer is just a little too light, and maybe it's just like really blending in a lot because of my blush, and my blush is a little bit dark and my bronze is a little bit light, so they're just kind of colliding or whatever. I feel like I look bronzed up, and I don't hate it though. Okay, so that's like the first thing. And I really like a strong cheek blush, like, so I'm not mad at that either. I will continue to use these, so I'm looking forward to that. The last thing that I have with you guys right now is what it looks like. Let me give you guys a little swatch moment. Oh, look at how cute. I'm sorry, but nailed it with the packages. So that is the color. It's like a nude, you know, a little bit of like a nudish pink. All right, here we go. This is a nice gloss. It is not sticky at all, Like, I'm shocked. And it feels good. This is perfect. I really like this stuff. This stuff is good. Good shit. Last thing is we're gonna hit up our other side of our pineapple bronzer, and we're gonna hit up this gorgeous looking highlight. It gives you that really nice dewy wet look. It looks so pretty. All right, you guys, that is the end of the Tutti Frutti collection. I am so excited to have shared this with you. I think that these products are really good. They smell really good. I really love the concept. I absolutely love the packaging. And yeah, thanks for watching. But just make sure that if you do end up getting this foundation, that it oxidizes like hell, okay? It oxidizes like hell. So make sure if you think you're gonna be nude, then probably go a shade lighter. Other than that, I'm actually pretty happy. And lately I've been actually wearing more, not so hardcore full coverage, and I've been like wearing more of just like a quick like layer of foundation, and it's just like I don't know, like it's just been like real nice. So anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time hanging out with me, do not let it be your last. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and hang out with me and be a part of my YouTube life. And I don't know where I'm going with that. Okay, love you guys. Peace.